Case study 2 from the chapter Triangle. Rohan wants to measure the distance of a pond during the visit to his native. He marks point A and B. A and B we can see on the opposite edges of a pond as shown in the figure. Okay, this is pond. So A and B he has marked. To find the distance between the points, he makes a right angle triangle using rope connecting B with C, okay, 12 meter, and then C to D, 40 meter, and D to A, 30 meter, okay. So such that ADC is 90. This is 90 degree. So length of the pond means AB length we can suppose S. Okay, so AC will be our AC will be BC plus X means 12 plus X. Okay, AD will be 30 and DC will be 40. So now we come to the questions. Which property of geometry will be used to find the distance AC? Okay, it is very obvious by Pythagoras theorem we can find. Okay, since one angle is 90 degree. Question number 2, what is the distance AC? Now here AC AD length is 30 given, D is right angle, DC length is 40 given. So AC length we should find. So Pythagoras theorem we will use here. Anyway, we know 3, 4, 5. These three numbers are Pythagorean triplet, isn't it? So if 3 and 4 are given, we can say hypotenuse will be 5. So if 30 and 40 given, hypotenuse will be 50. So 50 can be the correct answer, but we'll verify here. Okay, 30 square plus 40 square. Anyway, for MCQ, we need such logic to save our time. So yes, it is same only. And AC square is 2500. So if we take square root, it will be 50. 50 meter is the answer. Next question is, which is the following does not form Pythagoras triplet? Again, Pythagoras triplet, this word has come. So numbers means what will be the Pythagorean triplet? If we add square of two sides, we should get the square of the another one. Okay, and we know in a right angle triangle highest length is of hypotenuse. So this could be the hypotenuse here, this could be this one and this one. So you can check here. 7 square means for the first option 7 square plus 24 square will be 49 576, that is 625, that is 25 square. So they make the Pythagorean triplet. We will check for the 15 square plus 8 square, 225 plus 64, that will give 289, which is 17 square. Second also correct, it is Pythagorean triplet. C we will check here, 5 square 12 square is equal to 25 144 169, which is 13 square. Okay, that means C is option also correct. So no need to check for D. D is our answer because we want the form which is not a Pythagoras triplet. So D is the answer. So this way we can check here. Okay, sum of square of any two side should be equal to square of the hypotenuse. Then only those means all those three numbers will make a Pythagorean triplet. Next question, find the length AB. See, AB, not AB, AC is AB plus BC, right? In the figure, if you see, AB is length of the pond. AC we got already 50. AB I supposed as X. We can write AB here. BC 12 was given. So AB will be 50 minus 12, which is 38 meter. Okay. So answer B will be correct option. Next question is, find the length of the rope used. So length of the rope means, see, in a triangle ADC, B point is there. This is pond. So for this rope is not used. from B to C 12, from C to D 40 meter, from A to D 30 meter. So these lengths are the lengths of the rope only, isn't it? So we have to add these lengths. We will not add AC, or we will not find perimeter of triangle. No, because AB is the pond where water is there. So there is no rope. Okay. So BC means 12 plus 40 plus 30. Okay. So answer will be 82 meter. So 82 meter is the correct answer.